Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Airtel Thanks app and signing in with the registered mobile number. Enter the OTP when prompted. Once logged in, go straight to the Services or My Plans area to locate the primary service you want to remove. Make sure you note the exact service name and the billing cycle. This helps avoid removing the wrong item. If you have linked add-ons or auto-renew, disable them now so removal proceeds cleanly without unexpected charges. Once done, tap the primary service to open its Manage or Details screen and look for the Remove, Deactivate, or Change primary option. The label varies by app version. Select Remove and follow on-screen prompts. You will usually be asked to confirm and verify identity with an app PIN or another OTP. Make sure to read any pop-up explaining consequences, like loss of bundled data. If asked to migrate to a secondary service, choose the correct replacement before final confirmation. To prevent after your confirmation, accept the final prompt and wait for the app to process the removal. It may take a few seconds to a couple of minutes. Once the app returns a success message, restart the Airtel Thanks app and revisit services to verify the primary service is gone or replaced. If you do not see the expected change, make sure to clear the app cache and retry. If problems persist, contact Airtel support with the transaction ID. This single troubleshooting tip resolves most stuck removals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.